Hi, my name is Kevin Roy. I'm on the product marketing team here at Fingerprint, and today I'll be going over the coupon fraud demo on fingerprinthub.com to showcase how Fingerprint can help identify fraudsters who repeatedly use the same coupon code under different scenarios to gain unauthorized benefits. Some of these benefits might be sign-up bonuses, referral bonuses, loyalty discounts, all might come in the form of a coupon or a promo code. And we'll show you how Fingerprint can protect against multi-use or anybody trying to really game the system. So I'll scroll down here. I've got a couple shoes in my basket. Looks like the total is about $470. And I know I have a promo code that I can use, promo 3000, and hopefully I'll get 30% off this deal. Great, so it looks like the coupon was claimed. My coupon discount's 30%, taking about $137 off. So let's say I want to pay a little bit less than that. And I'm going to try and use the same coupon code again, promo 3000. I'll apply here. Looks like this visitor has used the coupon code before, as I just did. This is because Fingerprint is actually returning, with the API call of the visitor identifier, we're returning whether or not this coupon code has been used. So to suggest a different scenario, let's try using a different promo code. So Black Friday is coming around the corner. I'm going to try the Black Friday coupon code, and I'm going to apply that one. Looks like I've not able to do this as well because I've claimed a different coupon code. So in instances where it's maybe a referral bonus, you don't want people referring the same person, or if it's a sign-up bonus, fraudsters might attempt to use the same device but just use different accounts to game the system and get a couple sign-up bonuses. With our visitor identifier, we're getting a specific device ID back for that device, so we're able to prevent situations like that. This really can apply to a lot of different scenarios, and it's a pretty quick and easy demo about how Fingerprint can help you prevent coupon and fraud abuse. For any additional demos, you can go back to fingerprinthub.com and check out different use cases like credential stuffing, loan risk, payment fraud, paywall, personalization, and web scraping prevention. Thanks for watching.